controls, and I haven't touched them, they're the same. Overall, it's a tight fit, but I'm extremely happy with it. From this angle, you can see just how close that is. It's actually metal on metal here, touching from this. And there's a little lip right here that if that weren't there, it probably wouldn't be touching, but it's kind of resting on that, and I had to screw in all these a little extra oomph to be able to get them in, but it worked.